Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how you can add USDC to Phantom Wallet. So first of all, log into your Phantom Wallet and let's say you want to add your USDC currency to your Phantom Wallet. So what you need to do is to click on the buy button and you just need to select your particular USDC from this list and add it on your Phantom Wallet. The other ways, let's say you just want to add your token if you have. You just need to click on the manage token list and you will have the option of USDC. If you have purchased and USDC, of course, so you just need to turn that particular option just like so, and this will show you, or in the other words, it will add in your Phantom Wallet. So this is the easiest and simplest way to add USDC to Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press bell icon and also leave a comment. Thanks for watching.